is probably one of our favorites, to be honest. It's small, it's compact, and it's got all the features of a big caravan. Yeah. So small caravan, lighter to tow. The tare weight on this is only 1400. So smaller SUVs, you know, you don't need the Land Cruisers and you don't need the big utes to tow something like this, and you've still got plenty of room. So this is one of those vans, pops up, 2 queen beds pop out at the end, and then we've also got the insert to create the club lounge at the front into a bed as well. So technically you can fit at least 5 people in something like this. So I'll get started, we'll wind it up and we'll show you through the inside. Really easy to set up, only takes a few minutes, winds it up, push the ends out, put the stabiliser bars in, and it's really that simple. The one note is not to jump on the beds on the inside until those stabiliser bars are in. That's probably the number one rule with winding this van up. But otherwise, we'll take you for a tour around the outside, we'll wind the awning out and we'll show you through the inside. Alright, so some features on the outside, just under here. You've got your gas bayonet, so your Weber barbecue can plug straight into there, okay, instead of needing to disconnect the gas bottles. You've got this great pull-out step, which is a really good step into the van. You've got this plug here, which is your 10 amps, so that's where you can maybe plug in an outdoor fridge or any other accessories that you needed to. You do have a cigarette charger here as well, along with a TV aerial. This one has a really good LED light for out here under the awning, so that's really great. Back around to the other side of the van. Alright, so on this side of the van you've got your wastewater under here, so this is where your silage hose is going to plug into. Just under there, and here you've got your water tank. So this van does have a 90 litre water tank on board, so that's where you can fill that one. Otherwise, if you're not going free camping and you were going to a caravan park where you could plug into water, you would plug that in just here. Okay. And finally, we do have our 15 amp plug. So this is where you would plug in the 15 amp cord that we provide for you. So with this one, you would then plug that into the plug at the caravan park.
Okay, so this is all the stuff that comes in our little camper. We've got our 4 chairs, garbage bin, which is very important. We have a nice mat, Weber barbecue, and your tables. This one here is just so you can cook your Weber, and this is here for the family can sit out underneath the awning here. Other than that, you can go in and see Naomi and she'll show you through the van.
All right guys, come inside and have a look. So, really good sized camper once it's all set up for you. So this van in particular has 2 queen beds. You'll find quite a number of these campers are a queen and a double, but this does definitely have 2 queen beds, one at either end. Okay, this table here does drop down to make another bed. We'd call this probably a king single. So we do have an insert for the lounge if you needed to take an extra person along with you. Really good sized kitchen. So we've got 3 gas cookers here, a sink, you've got a fridge there, you've got a microwave. This van again comes with all your crockery, cutlery, glassware, pots and pans, all in the cupboards for you. TV, of course. You know what, some people don't want a TV when they're camping, but sometimes people and parents just need that little bit of sanity, so it does come with the TV as well. And then you've got this extra lounge area up here as well. So you really do have the 2 lounge areas if you need to seat and you're not using that one up there for a bed. So it's a really good seating area in here too, and plenty of airflow as well. So these blinds here all open up, roll down, you've got them all around the ends and all up here as well. And in this particular van, we have put aircon in here as well. So if it is one of those warmer days, you've got the aircon in here as well to use. So all in all, we've showed you how to set it up, we've showed you the inside, we've showed you the outside and all the inclusions. It's really a really great van to start off with if you're just starting out with camping, to get something like this, and who knows where you'll go. You might go to a full van, you might go to a motorhome next, but honestly, a really good starting option.